The LUE BONA 12.8x14.2 feet Hardtop Gazebo combines a warm wooden frame with a metal roof, giving the patio a high-end, permanent pavilion feel. Its substantial timber posts and cross bracing create a very solid structure that stays stable in strong winds and heavy snow when properly anchored to concrete. The galvanized steel roof panels shed rain and sun effectively, and the internal support grid is sturdy enough to hold string lights or small hanging decor for evening use. With a footprint large enough to host a 6 to 10 person dining setup, this gazebo comfortably handles family gatherings, outdoor barbecues, or a full outdoor living room arrangement. Pre-drilled mounting points and clearly labeled hardware make assembly straightforward for a small team, especially if you follow the instructions step by step. Multiple box shipping and responsive customer service help ensure that any missing pieces or questions during setup are handled quickly.